Doing absolutely fine. Today we are gonna do a BTC weekly analysis. Why weekly? Because today is Sunday and there is a one whole week which is waiting for us. In this weekly, I'm little excited to share the weekly analysis with you because as per me, there is a big price movement can happen on this week. Whether it's a upside or downside, let's see in this video. To start with, this is my trading view chart. Okay, in this trading view chart, I have opened the weekly time framework. On weekly time frame, what price is trying to tell? On a weekly time frame, price is trying to say that yes, there is a resistance. There is a resistance here. Okay, there is a support here, but this is quite a big because it's a weekly, right? So what I generally do that on a weekly, on a swing to swing basis, I do a fib retracement. So this is my last swing from here to here. What I do is this is my zero point 0.5 to zero point 0.6 area, which is, as you must be following my the other videos, this zero point 0.5 to zero point 0.6, I give a very high respect to this area. So what I'm saying here is that it's a possibility that BTC on a weekly time, when I say weekly, it's a 7 days, there is a possibility because of the resistance, the prices come till here, till what the level? It's a 93 to 88,000. It means currently where is the price? Currently the price is somewhere around 105082. It means I am here predicting that prices may come down around 90, around till 90 means around 14 to 50k. Doesn't seems to be realistic, right? But yes, this is what the prices are telling. So just to make my point more proven, let's see what else. So what I'll do is, because I'll keep this page here, I'm just deleting here, and for this right now, let me put a text here. The text which I'm gonna put here is that it's a weekly fib retracement. Okay, and we will just keep it here. Okay, now just because I'm gonna do more analysis, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put this on blue. Okay, that's a blue, it's a weekly. Is there anything else which my weekly fib retracement says? Probably no. I don't want to put from fib to fib here, but my weekly is, and is there any chart pattern which is getting created here? No, no. Is there anything like ascending triangle, descending triangle? No. Okay. Let's go to the below level, which is my 1 day time frame. What I'm seeing on a 1 day time frame. On a 1 day time frame, I'm seeing my favorite chart pattern which is getting created. It's not yet here, but it's slowly coming there. What is that? It's a typical head and shoulder pattern. And what the neckline which I'm seeing for the my typical head and shoulder pattern is this. Okay. And where is my head and shoulder? The head and shoulder pattern is this. The left shoulder is very much has been created. The head, the right shoulder is little stretch. It's a pushpa style head and shoulder, but the right shoulder is still in making and progress because it has to touch at least here, which where here. Okay, so because I need to stretch is little bit here, this part. Okay, so the right shoulder is still not been prepared, but the right shoulder is still here. Okay, so what my 1 day time frame was saying, 1 day time frame was saying that as soon as this right shoulder is getting prepared fully, the retest happen, and if it breaks here, there's a storm which is gonna come here. What is that storm? The storm is my this level. So yes, weekly and a daily time frame work. analysis is matching with each other. What weekly is trying to say? Weekly is trying to say that BTC is ready to come on this level. Daily is saying that yes, it is ready to come here, but it has to break this. Remember, weekly analysis is for 6 to 7 days. It is possible that it maybe the price can come tomorrow here, but no, I'm not predicting here. In weekly time, I'm saying that the prices may come here. Okay, and a daily time frame was saying that fine, you the prices, let the price go here, but first let this level be broken. But for this level to broken, we have to further go down to where? Let's go to 4 hours. On a 4 hours, on a 4 hours, if you see here, again my favorite tool, which is my fib retracement. On a 4 hours, if I see, and I don't even should use this, I should use this swing. On a 4 hours, if you see this, this is the point 0.5 to point 0.6 level is coming, and the price is currently is hovering here. Okay, so the possibility is that prices, if it has to go up, again it will go till here, and it again has to come. So what is this my level? This is level of this level is of my um, 4 hours fib retracement of what? Of selling. Yeah. Now, so what my this that till here the prices can come down, but still, if I go further down on a 1 hour, 1 hour, what 1 hour trying to say? The 1 hour trying to say that the prices came down, prices went up again, prices again came down, again trying to go up. So it means that on a one time there is a angle which is getting created. This angle is nothing but this level. Okay, so what it shows, this is a typical bearish action. On this bearish, if it gets broken down, this the prices possibility, if you see, even if it has to follow this, it is very much coming to your fib retracement of 4 hours. But on a 1 hour, the prices are hovering like this. The chances are the if the prices again come down here, again it's break. Okay, so the prices may go like this, like like this. The prices are currently like this, like this, like probably like this. Okay, and this time it will come down here, here, and it is gonna go down here. Okay, now here what is there? Here if you see, here if you see, the right shoulder has not been prepared yet. The this level where the head and shoulder has to prepare. So what is going to happen? This is the level for head and shoulder final right head. Okay, this is the neckline of that. So it has to broke down this here. So if the price come down here like this, and what is this level of mine? The price will come here, which is this level. This is what the neckline of the head and shoulder on a daily time frame. So this is like the head and shoulder will happen and the neckline. And if you ask me, if you I'm very serious while I'm saying this, that if this level gets broken down, there's a storm below. Okay, the storm below says that, yep. So I'm just saying here that if this level goes below down, so storm below, storm below, if this level gets broken, okay, and we from where the storm will go, the storm will come till here, and this 1 lakh to 91 to 88,000, 10 to 11,000 easy fall. I am not very sure when it's going to happen. It can happen Monday morning, Monday night, Tuesday, whatever it's going to happen. It can happen. So this particular analysis is for a weekly. Plus, if you want to consider for next 1 or 2 days as well, because in 1 or 2 days, the prices is because the prices are very much taking the touch here, right? The prices can spend a little bit time here, can take a resistance here, can come down here, and then maybe it will break this to create the head and shoulder pattern or not. If no, then it will go a little bit up again. It will come down again as soon as this right shoulder will be prepared again. That time we have to see that if the level of the head and shoulder is getting prepared, if the retest is happening, if the level is broken down, the prices are very much is ready to come here. The external factor like the war news which is coming between the Israel and Iran is further giving oil to this particular price action. Here I'm not at all bullish. It may be possible that because along with me there must be millions billions of people must be bearish on Bitcoin, and the price can come, uh, can trap many of them. The today morning, for example, the today morning the trapping very much happened, like the prices were here and suddenly prices started going upside. People thought this is it, this is the upside, but look what prices did. Prices again is preparing a parallel channel. On this parallel channel, it's a typical Sunday afternoon and morning. What happens, if prices will be keep running on a parallel channel, suddenly the prices will be broken, and that's the path for the coming week. The Bitcoin will be going into the selling mode. As per me, it's a permutation game. I'm not predicting here, and I'm not even claiming that I'm a very great trader. I'm learning here, and few days back I was still roaming here and there in the YouTube channels trying to learn, but now I'm trying to share my learning. I've spent hundreds and thousands of hours on trading, believe me, and I'm sharing a little bit analysis on this. So if you like this, something like a raw analysis. Before that the chart was clean, not even a single line was drawn before I come to shoot this video. This shoot is as raw as Bitcoin is gonna be next few days. Believe me, support me, like this video, subscribe this, and like this. I have like I'm this is the only analysis videos which I shoot on a daily basis. There are some learning videos which I'm also planning. There are some set of 10 or 15 videos which I will record and will put it. Resource wise, I'm still coming up. There is a good headset which I have, which is the noise cancellation one. I'm bringing this up, this particular game. So yeah, thank you so much whoever is seeing it. I know I don't even should say that because the videos views are very, very, very less. But still, if even if the single person is seeing my video, please like, subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll see you in other videos. Thank you and bye.